Hey guys, today I'm gonna play some more naval warfare. Are you on, Jacob? Are you on with my friend Jacob? And he's gonna play too.
Alright, I'm gonna
Oh
go
yeah,
to the
yeah.
harbor.
Okay.
Let's make a destroyer.
Go no, okay. Go to harbor and go destroyer. Go destroyer. Go destroyer. We were just playing some jailbreak, so we have jailbreak on the mind. Okay, destroyer. I spawned the destroyer.
Alright, hold on. Alright. You want me to take the back cannon or front cannon? Well, see which cannon you can fire from the cockpit on this, and then I'll take the other cannon.
I can fire both of them.
Also a torpedo. What?
I can fire both of them. So,
Alright, I'm gonna take the front one then. You can fire the back one.
Okay.
And I guess once in a while I'll sub in for the torpedo too.
Okay. Let's go to Island C.
Oh, you're in the front one right now, so I can't get in.
Am I? No, I'm in the back one.
Oh, it says you're moving the front one. Dude, I think your video's on weird. I'm gonna try and get in the back one.
No.
Yeah, it let me get in the back one, so you're on the front one.
Yeah, I'm on the front one now. I just switched to the front one.
Okay.
Don't jump, because the momentum of the ship keeps going and you don't, so.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna take torpedo, okay?
Okay. The torpedo isn't there. Yeah, you gotta go actually to the torpedo, I think. So go directly to the torpedo. Hold on, let me just see how you control the gun.
The torpedo's in the front.
Yeah, it's in the front. Oh, I can press B. No, I have to do it. I have to do the torpedo from the front.
Dang it, I fell off.
Oh, you actually fell off? Aw. Okay, go a cruiser or do that heavy one that's like 7.
I'm joining the battleship because right now our battleship is really good.
Okay, I'm gonna probably head to our battleship after we capture C.
Am I gonna miss? No. Yeah, I want to be in this so bad. We're destroying Japanese aircraft carrier. I can't.
You mean American aircraft?
Space!
You mean American aircraft? Because we're...
Oh, yeah. We are Japan. We.
Okay, so we're capturing C right now. Me and this other guy are capturing C.
Alright.
So C has been captured. So me and this guy...
Yeah, the Japanese aircraft carrier I'm trying to attack it.
Oh, did you guys just see that? So this guy we were in the air, and so this guy just, like, bombed us out of nowhere. Oh, it costs money for the product battleship.
Let's go, I shot down a plane.
Somebody has it, though.
They made kamikaze work.
Oh,
they made kamikaze work.
Dude, I want to use the front gun, but this guy's using it. Oh, yes, I got it. Okay.
Let's go, I'm shooting down planes to the left and right. Alright, I'm the back gun.
No, I'm the back gun.
I'm the back gun.
Or no, I'm the torpedo launcher on the back.
Yeah, I'm like the big destructo bunko, whatever.
The thing, yeah, the smaller.
The big thing.
Dude, I need this job here. I need this job when this guy gets out.
No, dude, the back one, that's for you.
No, are you in the one that's shooting, like, missiles?
Oh, alright, we're gonna shoot.
Wait, are you in the one that's...
I'm right now in the anti-aircraft one.
Okay.
We're heading towards the USA harbor right now, I think. This is gonna be fun. We're just gonna go in and the harbor.
Okay, so I'm in the big... I'm in, like, the huge...
They're destroying our harbor right now. They're destroying our harbor, but we're on track to destroy theirs, too.
Oh, crap, I died.
But that did a lot of damage. Yeah, that torpedoes don't know what the Air Corps is for America, but I think they're on the call because the planes are all really good.
Can this guy move? I want to use the airbound torpedoes. He's not letting me use the air. Mommy, he's not letting me use the airbound torpedoes.
Yeah. Come on, we got a turn.
I'm gonna get into the second anti-aircraft. Cause we're heading for their battleship. We're heading for their battleship.
There's nobody to launch a torpedo on.
In front of me. I'll launch the torpedo. I'll launch the torpedo. I will launch the torpedo. Because there is somebody that we can launch it on, and they're right next to us. It's the American battleship right over there. Ground-to-air missiles. I got 3 ground-to-air missiles to fire.
Let's go!
Firing! Boom! I got them. I got it. Woo! We did it.
This is easy. We're just sinking their ships left and right.
Oh no! Our ship is sinking.
Where?
Look see how they fire?
It's just on fire. It doesn't mean it's sinking.
Where are you?
I'm in the front cannon.
Ah, nice. Wait, which one? The closest one to the front, or the one a little bit farther from?
The one to the front.
Okay.
The one that's least useful.
Okay. We're going to A. We're going to their harbor in A.
I hit Island A from
Okay, I'm going into the torpedo now. I'm gonna fire the torpedo in a couple seconds. Oh, there's an American submarine over there.
Doesn't matter. I'm gonna literally siege bomb it.
Okay, I'm bombing. I'm sending my missile at the American bomber. I just went over it. I went too high over it.
Oh, you were at half health. Who's on the anti-aircraft cannons?
I am not. I just blew up one of their. I blew up one of their. What's it called? I always forget what they're called. Submarines.
All right, I'm on the anti-aircraft. Shoot it. And you know they're gonna die bomb us, kamikaze.
They didn't do much damage. They only did a bit of damage.
No, they didn't. Look, we have almost no health left.
Okay, I'm bombing American Island. The American Island.
No.
I don't know if this is gonna work because it's in the water.
Abandoned ship. Abandoned ship. No.
Abandoned ship.
The
Ooh.
Air Corps, the United States, they must be on like a video chat or something. Like, you know what they're doing? They're just destroying.
They have a planned attack.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the carrier. Go to the carrier.
I'm making a large bomber.
Okay, if this guy doesn't get out, Weasley B. Okay, come on.
Where are you? Are you on the carrier?
I'm on the carrier.
You make a large bomber?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna make a large. Where are you? Okay, dude, come on. I'm about to make a large bomber.
Hold on.
Dude, I just made a large bomber. Come on. Sorry. Oh, I got shot.
Oh, they have a American kamikaze on us. I just blew up.
This is over, dude. Who's on the anti? There's nobody on the anti-aircraft cannon.
I'm telling Weasley B to go there.
These guys must be hacking. We're out, health, I think.
Let me check. No, we're not.
Enemy destroyer coming in. Dang it, anti-aircraft carriers cannons only do damage to aircraft. It's so annoying.
Dude, I'm spawning a big bomber.
Okay, I'm gonna come in.
It's right there. It's this one. Yeah. No. Hold on. Let me get in the front. I gotta get in the front. No, I died. Okay, save it. Make sure nobody takes it. Okay.
We're gonna probably sink.
I'm I'm already on it. I'm already on it.
You're already on it?
I'm in it. I'm getting in.
Alright, I'm in the back. Alright, let's go. Where am I? Oh, it was glitched, so the cannon was just stuck in there.
Where?
Alright, let's bomb their battleship.
This is B? Or
Fly using E and use your...
no, I know.
Pull up, you're in a kamikaze SMC.
Okay.
Alright, you see Island C?
We're going Island A.
Yeah, no, go to the harbor.
Hold on. I gotta close my leaderboard.
Look at that aircraft.
Holy crap, brother. They're above us. Are they above us or below us?
Our carrier's done.
Is it done? No, it's at it's at more than half.
But they got a giant bomber coming. Plus, kamikaze does damage now.
I'm sending a bomber. Tell me when to drop the bombs. Tell me when to drop the bombs.
B. You drop the bombs.
I know, but when?
Look there. Drop bombs on their battleship.
That's what I'm. We're at 208 health. Boom.
Go. No. Down.
Jump out. I blew a bunch of people up. I just killed a bunch of people. Kill him. The hand-to-hand combat in this is so bad.
Yeah,
we gotta capture the flag. Capture their flag.
How do you do that?
Just stand on it.
Let's go.
There goes one of their bombers. They have bombs and their bombers left. They're kamikazing.
Just took out our carrier.
Did they actually?
Yeah, they did.
That's sad.
Dude, I just got killed.
Okay, so we have it now. We have it. Sir,
I'm gonna go to
it's our island. It's our island, but there's like 8 kamikaze bombs on us. I am
I'm gonna take a torpedo bomber, okay? And I'm just gonna start torpedoing their harbor.
I just bought a torpedo bomber, but I died. Get in my torpedo bomber. Use my torpedo bomber. They
have a ship.
Dude.
Yeah, we need bombers now.
Okay, go. The carrier's still alive. Dude, the carrier's still alive.
The carrier's still alive?
The carrier lives. Go to the carrier. I'm spawning a thing on the carrier. I'm spawning a torpedo bomber on the carrier. Go.
We have USA on here.
Go to site A.
US is on here.
I'm on. I'm kamikazing.
I got killed.
I kamikazed. I died though.
We lost Isle Day. I'm going on the Isle Day.
By that honors
on those jerks in the stripes of the moon and the
Oh, I just died. They just blew up everybody on our carrier and our carrier. And that seems like a great place to end the video. Goodbye. Thank you. Watch the video again. Share it. Subscribe. Like. Do everything you need to do. And peace out, guys.